Alright, so today I'm going to try to fix my back bumper using these suction cups. Now hopefully these suction cups that cost me $5 to $10 would be able to take off this back dent out of this bumper. Now keep in mind this bumper is plastic, so it should be easy to remove the dent and just pull it out. So the first thing you want to do is clean off the area here because you don't want this thing to be dirty because the suction cups are not going to be able to get any grip. Now that the area is clean, we could try by pulling it out. And as you're seeing, this is plastic, so you could possibly bend it. Right now, you could possibly move it around. So this part shouldn't be any different right here. And the next thing, you never want to pull from the middle of the dent because you could possibly crack it from the middle from all of that pressure at one spot. Hopefully the suction cup sticks to the flat surface here, and it should be able to. Yeah, this part should be able to pull out. Yeah, there we go. Okay, let me try it again. Okay, nope. Shit. Yeah, so these suction cups are not giving me any type of grip of the bumper. It gets a good grip of it, but it's not strong enough to pull out the dent. Since we can't pull this dent with the suction cups, let me start by getting the T-puller here and the hot glue gun, and let me start by gluing in the pieces here so that I can pull it out from there. Alright, so it's been 7 minutes so far. Let me start by pulling it out. Let me start from this side first. There we go. Okay, the dent is moving, as you're seeing there. Okay. First one to the second one. The third one here. Okay. And the fourth one. All right. Okay, not too much luck, but the dent was starting to move, and you can see that it was possible to try to pull it out from the sides. Now from here, let me get some alcohol. Let me start by spraying out the glue to scrape it off. And try to spray it on the tips here so that you can remove the glue from the tips as well. I want to wipe off the alcohol. Alright, now let's go again. Oh, looks like it took this part off. Looks like it came out of this piece right over here. Nah, there's not much of a difference there. It's only this part of the bumper that came off, not the dent. So let me keep on pulling. Alright, so this might be my last time trying to pull it out. If it doesn't work this way, let me try the opposite way from the inside. And I'm going to show you guys how deep the dent is from the inside of the bumper here. This whole thing is dented from the inside. This plastic is pretty tough as well, so this ain't a cheap plastic material. This material is very thick and it's very hard, so that's why it was very difficult to pull out the dent. But as you're seeing there's a huge bulge right there. So let me see if I could stick something in so that I could bend it right back out. There we go. If I just push it the opposite way, it should just pull it right out. Alright, so I ended up taking the bumper off. As you can see there, I took it off from here and I took it off from the other side as well. So as you can see, 70% of the bumper comes off just like that. And I did went inside out, went inside the bumper, and I ended up pushing out the dent from the inside instead of the out. And as you can see, it worked out perfectly. This right here is a dried up glue that I have to remove off, but for the most part, it pretty much bent back the correct way. How the lines are, as you can see there, it goes all the way through the end. When I took out the dent from the inside, there were tiny little dents around it. Like right here, there was some right here at the top, and there was some at the bottom. There's like some like 2-inch dents from the inside. It wasn't too bad, but I did remove all of them off. I had to use hot water. As you can see there, this water is hot, and I ended up using a ballet. This is all rubber, so it's not gonna hurt the plastic. So as I poured the water on the bumper, I took out the bumper and I ended up hitting the dents from the inside of the bumper instead. Because as you can see here, there used to be a dent right here. It's not there anymore, at least for the most part. There was another dent right around this area, but it's 90 to 99% fixed. And of course, there was a dent right around on this area. You can still kind of see it. I don't know if you can see it or not. So for this part, let me just pour the hot water and let me just show you guys what I actually did. Let me start by pouring it on the affected area. That's halfway. Start by hitting right around here. It's a small little tiny dent, but it's not that noticeable. Okay, so that was basically all I did using this mallet, trying to hit the dent from the inside of the bumper. As you can see here, it's pretty much 90 to 95 to 99% perfect. There's pretty much nothing I could do from here because I did what I could do with this mallet and the hot water. And one more thing, if you cannot remove the dried up glue that's on the bumper, you could also use starter body air intake cleaner. This will remove it just fine. Now, if you do have brand new paint, I would recommend you use it because it could possibly peel it off, maybe the clear coating. But for the most part, I did this before on my car and it hasn't removed my paint. So I'm going to keep on using it. Pour it right here. Get some paper towels. You see how easy it is to remove? You see that? It removes very, very easily without any force. So guys, thanks for watching. I hope this video was helpful to you, and if it was, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace out.